Hey everyone, this is Harsh Goyal. तो आज की वीडियो में बात करने वाले हैं कुछ अमेजिंग अपॉर्चुनिटीज की फॉर द बैचेस ऑफ 2021, 2022, 2023 and these are going to be amazing opportunities. If you're first time visiting this channel, don't forget to press the like button, share it with the friends and do subscribe this channel for amazing such content coming ahead. Also, you can check on other playlists that I've already made where you can get this relevant content related to your internships and placements and you can ace them with amazing tips and amazing guidance. So the first opportunity for the day is by ThoughtWorks. ThoughtWorks is looking forward to female candidates with 0 to 1 years of experience. Should be skilled in Java, SQL, TDD, CA or CD. The format of the challenge will be 2 basic programming questions and 10 MCQs. If you are somebody who is looking forward to work at ThoughtWorks at job locations in Bangalore, Chennai, Pune, Coimbatore, Mumbai, Hyderabad and Gurgaon, so this can be an amazing opportunity for you. Don't forget to register. I'll give the link to this in the description below. Please check out. The next opportunity is an intern as well as a full-time role in software product engineering at Rivigo. So you just need to email your resume to tarasha.arora@rivigo.com. They're looking forward to somebody who can work from home for next 6 months and you can also get a pre-placement offer if you perform well in this internship. You could be from the batch of 2022, 2023 and definitely you can apply for this opportunity as well. Third opportunity is by Paytm. Paytm is looking forward to 2021 batch pass-outs for software engineer role at location Chandigarh. So if you are interested in this opportunity, you can send in your resumes at m/ria.mattu@ocltp.com and you have to mention the subject line as software developers Chandigarh. So there is a small message for you all from Coding Ninjas. If you're not aware of Coding Ninjas, it's one of the largest coding education company and I've taught more than 50,000 students. Coding Ninjas offers courses from basic to advanced level in programming in C++, Java, machine learning, Android development and data science. You can look through their website. You will find exceptional content curated by experts from IIT, Stanford, Amazon and Facebook. More than 1,000 questions asked in companies like Amazon, Facebook, Microsoft and more to practice. There's also amazing doubt support, like one-on-one doubt support is there. You can get all your answers to different questions in 1 to 2 hours of your asking. You can get it through video calls as well. You can get it through chat as well. So the doubt support system is something that is the most commendable. Also, you will find 4.9 star rating of theirs on different platforms like Google, and you can check out these different courses that they have currently for data structure algorithms, competitive programming, interview preparation, Android development, data science and machine learning. So these all courses are currently available, and if you are looking forward to practice, you can also practice on the coding platform that is Code Studio. And something that is there for you today is a small discount from my end. That is, you will be getting 20% discount on any of the courses if you wish to purchase from Coding Ninjas, apart from any early bird discount that is already available. So don't forget to check out their website, and if you want to purchase any of the courses, use the link that is there in my description below. You will get 20% discount apart from the already available discount that is there for early birds. So let's move on to the next. The next is job opportunity by MTX. So MTX is hiring for its off-campus drive for 2021 batch. 2019-2020 is also eligible. You should be from BTech, ME, MTech, MCA. They are hiring consultant trainees for Salesforce and full stack development, quality assurance and project coordinators. The last date to apply is August 19 and you will be having this joining date as September 13. So this is something that is there for MTX. The next opportunity is by Texas Instruments. Texas Instruments is looking forward to freshers with 0 to 2 years of experience, and you should be good at C and project experience, debugging skills in software, as well as you should be able to identify software and hardware issues. You have strong analytical and problem solving skills and ability to take initiatives and drive results. You should have bachelor's or master's degree in electrical or electronics engineering, and batches of 2021, 2020 and 2019 are eligible for the same. Next opportunity is by Hashdin. It's a company by Deloitte. They're looking forward to for DevOps associate position. Currently, they're looking forward to intern plus DevOps associate. If you are currently pursuing BTech, ME, MTech or MC and you have passed out in 2021, this is an amazing opportunity and you can apply to this opportunity through referrals. So this was all for today's video. Don't forget to press the subscribe button, share it with your friends and do like this video for amazing such videos coming ahead. Thank you so much.